Got a few clowns hopping in. What did P. Silva say? She didn't quit. She got deactivated. Or she was about to quit. But it was so damn slow, man. She got a lot of trash orders. I think, yeah. She was about to quit, but then they deactivate her before that. I think that's how it went down, right? She was about to quit and they deactivated her. Who's Anthony? Oh, Jerry Smith, you're a clown too, huh? Am I scamming my subscriber? I don't think so, dude. I gave money to a lot of money to my subscriber, dude. Get out of here, dude. You freaking clowns. Stop hating, dude. Stop hating, dude. Man, got a lot of haters since I've been making the news, huh? Woo! Hater! Woo! Hater! Oh, man. Oh, you haters, get out of here, man. Go get a life, dude. Stop drinking that haterade, boy. These dudes must be from TikTok. Bet you anything they're from TikTok. It's working. I've been promoting my YouTube on TikTok. Screw TikTok, screw DoorDash, screw the CCP, okay? Screw the CCP, screw DoorDash, screw TikTok. All right, Mike muted, Mike muted. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Who said Wendy's have a long line? What are you talking about? Not in Denver, boy. 30 seconds and I'm out the window. Who said Wendy's have a long line? Not in Denver. Doing a DoorDash with Wendy's. This one is $3. 3 miles for $10 with Tony's account. Hey, how you doing, bro? Doing well. Thank you. All right. That's how we do it out here in Mile High City, baby. That's faster than walking inside, right? That took like 30 seconds. 30 seconds. T-minus 2 weeks till I get the new car. T-minus 2 weeks. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna be dashing across America. I'm gonna dash all the way to Tony Shu's house. Dashing from Denver to Tony Shu's house. All right, we're going on this one. All right. Who said Wendy's is slow? Not here. Well, there's some slow locations. This one is the exception. How do I get back over there? Okay. This one is the exception. All right, winning move, fam. 30 seconds for a Wendy's order. Yeah, let me highlight that.